we're gonna have a balloon race. We are at Miss Merve's magic shop to make balloon dresses. And our contestants are Barbie, Princess Elsa, Princess Belle, Princess Snow White, and Princess Ariel. Let the race begin! Miss Barbie, please select the color. Barbie, to make your dress, I'm going to use a red and a pink balloon. It's your turn, Princess Elsa! Princess Elsa, to make your dress, I'll use a blue and a purple balloon. Princess Belle, it's your turn! Princess Belle, to make your dress, I'm going to use a yellow and an orange balloon. Princess Ariel, it's your turn! Princess Ariel, to make your dress, I'll use a green and a yellow balloon. Snow White, it's your turn! Princess Snow White, to make your dress, I'm going to use a yellow and a purple balloon. Who do you think won the race? Let us know in the comments down below. Bye bye!